Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Color Me Badlyn here, popping on today to share an exclusive hot off the press celebrity fragrance. This fragrance comes from one of my favorite singers of all time, and I am super duper excited to come on and share this new fragrance that she has launched. But before we get into that, I do want to welcome you back to my channel, especially if you are new to my channel. Welcome, glad to have you. I am Color Me Badlyn. On my channel, we talk about fragrances that are in my collection. We talk about fragrances that are on my wish list that I would love to add to my collection. We will also talk about natural skincare, makeup, hair, all types, natural, wigs, weaves, all things beauty. We will also touch on subjects of love, romance and relationships, and a little bit of chat about family issues and faith, and whatever else you want to talk about. So make sure you comment below or send me an email and I will respond back to you within 24 to 48 hours. I'm extremely busy these days, and so if it takes a little bit longer than 48 hours, charge my head and not my heart. I definitely will get back to you and answer you through email and or on my YouTube channel. All right, so let's get into it. This will be an actual unboxing of this fragrance. Like I said, I am super duper excited. Here is the box, so I'm gonna just open her up and see what we got inside. I just have some really inexpensive shears. Nothing, you can't even cut a noodle with these, but I wanted to open this up in front of you guys so you guys can see this along with me. We'll share this together, right? So let's see if we can get this bad girl open. Hot off the press. Are you excited to find out what fragrance I'm going to share with you guys? I don't know if you're more excited than I am. I'm like super geeked about this. Alright, so we've got the box open. This is just a packing slip with the invoice and all that, telling you what's inside of it, where it came from. Just a little bubbly to protect the box. Empty box. Alright, so the fragrance that I'm coming on to share with you guys today is again one of my favorite singers of all time. Always will be. If you can hear in the background, she's playing in the background. Sidebar, I do not own the rights to this music, but I had to play her in the background, okay? It is none other than TONI Breathe by TONI Braxton. Yes, she has a fragrance, you guys. I'm super excited. I've never smelled this. I unboxed it in front of you. So I just had to come on and share this. This is the box. Isn't that gorgeous? Like a rose gold color. I love it. So this is TONI Breathe by TONI Braxton. It is an eau de parfum, and it also comes with a moisture perfect body lotion, and it's an eau de parfum as well. So let's go ahead and open her. She has a little seal there, so I'm going to use my scissors to cut the seal. I'm so excited to see what this smells like. Alright, so I cut the seal. Alright, and we're going to open up both the lotion and the shower gel are in there. I see some bling bling, something going on shiny in there. So first I take out the lotion. It kind of slid out first. This is the lotion. Again, this is TONI Breathe by TONI Braxton. Oh my god, this is so cute, you guys. This is the fragrance bottle. Isn't this beautiful? Oh my god, this is so pretty, you guys. It's a microphone. Alright, so let's see how we're supposed to open this. I don't want to break it. Okay, awesome. Okay, so this is how you take it off. This is the actual microphone here, As you can see the top, and that's the bling bling that I saw all around the rim of the microphone. Isn't that beautiful? Again, this is Toni Breathe by Toni Braxton. I believe this is a Home Shopping Network exclusive. Here's the top of the fragrance. Oh my God, guys, this smells good. So here's the top. I'm gonna sit it there. The atomizer on this fragrance is rose gold. The actual bottle itself is like a metal, rose gold metal. Nothing on the actual bottle itself except for on the bottom it tells you what type of fragrance you have. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit. And again, this is Toni Breathe by Toni Braxton. I want to put the top back on her. I love this, and so far I love the smell. Let's go over the notes of this fragrance so you guys will actually know exactly what's in this fragrance. This is a 2.20 fluid ounce eau de parfum. Yes, this is delicious. The top notes are sparkling bergamot. You definitely get a sparkling lime citrus, also lemon mist and coconut water. So that's what I smell when I first sprayed this out. I like this. The middle notes of this fragrance is blooming frangipani, orange flower, water lily, and white jasmine. And remember what I told you about that jasmine. Jasmine has an addicting factor. It makes you just want more and more of it. This is so beautiful, you guys. Like, this is really pretty. Okay, your bottom notes of this fragrance are creamy vanilla and white musk, and that's it. So you got your sparkling bergamot, which is your lime. You got your lemon mist and coconut water in the beginning. You got your blooming frangipani, orange flower, water lily, and white jasmine, creamy vanilla and white musk. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm not a huge vanilla fragrance person, but when I tell you they did this right, this is absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to be able to come on and tell you guys about the projection and the sillage and the scent bubble and how long it lasts. But I had to come on and give an exclusive on Toni Breathe by Toni Braxton. Here's the body cream. I believe this is an exclusive on Home Shopping Network. Of course, if you type it in on the website, you should be able to, it'll pop up for you and tell you when you can order this. But this is brand new, hot off the press. Toni Breathe by Toni Braxton. You know what I always say whenever I find an amazing fragrance, whether it's new, get you some. Toni, you did your thing, girl. I absolutely love this. I made it through this video without crying. Like I told you guys, this is my girl. I love me some Toni Braxton. Anybody that knows me really, really well knows how deep of a connection I have with this young lady. I absolutely love her. And so I am super excited to add Toni Breathe by Toni Braxton to Color Me Badlands fragrance collection. That's all I have for now. I'm gonna fly off of here real quick because I feel a couple of tears building up in behind my my tear ducts. This is so beautiful, you guys, and I'm so excited. Congratulations to Toni Braxton. You did your thing, girl. We love this, okay? And I will be back on with a full extensive review on how well this fragrance lasts. And I'm gonna tell you the truth, I love it so much and I love her so much that I could care less if it lasted for 2 hours. This is good, y'all. Get you some. This is Color Me Badlands saying bye for now. God bless, guys. Peace. Toni Breathe by Toni Braxton. Get you some.